Hey guys, let's work on these fractions, decimals, and percents. Okay, so we finished this graphic organizer. I just talked about the main and the common fractions, decimals, and percents. Now let's talk about how to go back and forth between fraction, decimal, and percent. All right. Oh, obviously I pulled this from a multiple choice question. All right. Take out this word. Show 5.15 is a mixed number in simplest form. All right, this 5, these right here, the 1 is in the tenths place, and this 5 is in the hundredths place. So we're going to put 15 over 100, right? And then we have the big 5 as our whole number. So now it's a mixed number, but it's not in simplest form. And every time you do a fraction, it has to be in simplest form. So if we take 15 and maybe divide by 5, we get 3 to 100. Divided by 5, we get 20. So 3 and 20 don't simplify. So it's 5 and 3/20. I am. All right, let's do on. I stole some too. All right, show. We got that as a percent. So when you have a decimal and you want to go to percent, the decimal is always smaller and the percent is bigger. So we're going to move it twice. 1, 2. So it'll be 8.8%. Okay, percent as a decimal. So this percent, 116. All right, percent is always bigger than a decimal. There's the decimal point. And so 1, 2, you're going to go the opposite way. So we're at 116, 1.16. Fraction to percent. So first, you have to change it to a decimal. Then change it to a percent. So 2/5 as a decimal. All right, we can divide this out like this. 5, 2. 2 goes into 5 twice. 4 with 1 left over. Bring the 1 down, add a 0 placeholder because you want to keep dividing until you there's no remainder. 2 goes into 5. 2 goes into 10 5 times. I feel like there's something wrong. Hang on, let me pause this. No, I'm so silly. Don't do this. Teacher, bad teacher. I was totally showing you what not to do. You do this. 5 does not go into 2. Oops. 5 can go into 20. This guy. All right. All right, so 5 goes into 24 times, and there's no remainder. Silly. All right, so we get 0.4. Okay, but that's a decimal, and you need a percent. So 0.4, and you move it over. The percents are always bigger, so you're going to go this way. So we get 40, put a 0 placeholder, so we're at 40%. All right, what is this percent as a fraction? So first change it to percent, decimal, then a fraction. So 59%, remember percents are always bigger than decimals. We're going to go this way, so at 0.59. Okay, and this 9 is in the 100 spot, so we're going to go 59 over 100. I'm saying if I don't think anything divides 59. Nothing does. So he's done. Fraction to a decimal. So we're just going to divide it. 27. Your decimal up. So 20 doesn't go into 7, but 20 will go into 73 times. So that's 60. 20 can't go into 10. Bring it down. 20 does go into 100 5 times. And they just want a decimal, so it's 0.35. Fraction as a decimal. fraction, maybe 1 to do 2, because I feel like they're hard. All right, 8 goes into 3. 8 does not go into 3. 8 will go into 30. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. Ooh, so sorry. 8 goes into 6 7 times. 56. 4. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 40, there's no remainder now. All right, so we get 0.375. If we wanted to change it to a percent, then it would be 37.5% if we want to do a percent, but the problem says decimal. Okay, James wants to buy a used car and needs to have a down payment of 20%. If the car James wants to buy is $8,800, how much down payment will he need? So basically, we need 20%, and we need to figure out what 20% is. So I'm going to do is over of equals percent over 100, cross multiply, big number, 176,123, 800 times 20, and then 100x. So let's then divide on both sides. So 1760 is 20%. Okay, or if you wanted, 20% is 0.2, and you could do, like, if you were on a calculator, you could do 0.2 times 8800. You still get the 1760 is 20%. Oh, there we go, guys. I did more. Oh, all right, fabulous. Okay, so go do your independent work on percents, converting between fraction, decimal, percent, and then go watch the next video.